Hi! In front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!